Hello, Guy Noddy here. Just to say that it's day 31 and counting down. I'm on my drone lesson 2 today, but I just wanted to point out to you that Hong Kong is not all high rises. Look at this. Beautiful beach. Not a soul in sight. I'm going to set up the drone and I'm going to try and get the flight. I think the biggest problem at the moment is that it looks really jerky, and I want to prove that and see if I can get a smoother thing, but I think there's a different mode on it. Get a few more lessons on it and see if it gets any better. 31 days to sort out my drone flying. Here we go.